The Somali Renaissance, a nation in transformation, introduction, a new chapter. They say that resilience is the heartbeat of a nation. For Somalia, the last 3 years have been more than just a passage of time. They have been a period of profound reawakening. Under the administration of President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud, Somalia has embarked on a journey defined by state building, economic institutionalization, and an unwavering spirit of progress. From the halls of government to the bustling streets of the capital, the narrative of Somalia is shifting from one of conflict to one of remarkable, tangible opportunity. The economic pulse. Economic growth is the engine of this transformation. In recent years, Somalia has achieved milestones that seemed distant only a short time ago. The historic completion of the heavily indebted Poor Countries Initiative in late 2023 was a watershed moment, granting the nation long-awaited debt relief and reintegrating Somalia into the global financial fold. This newfound stability has fueled a vibrant private sector. Construction is booming. The skyline of Mogadishu is changing almost monthly. With gross fixed capital formation seeing significant growth, the capital is undergoing an architectural and commercial facelift. From digital banking services that rival international standards to a surge in domestic entrepreneurship, the Somali economy is proving that it is not just surviving, it is innovating. Mogadishu, the city reborn. Nowhere is this energy more visible than in Mogadishu itself. The pearl of the Indian Ocean is reclaiming its glory. The Banadir Regional Administration has launched an ambitious 5-year transformation plan focusing on modernized infrastructure, sanitation, and urban development. Roads are being rehabilitated, and the city's connectivity is improving, weaving together districts that were once isolated. But the real change is in the daily life of its residents. The expansion of public services, the investment in human capital, and the focus on climate-resilient infrastructure demonstrate a government committed to the long-term well-being of its people. It is a city that breathes potential, where each new business opening and each paved street represents a victory for the collective ambition of the Somali people. Security and stability. Growth, however, requires a foundation of security. The capital has seen deliberate efforts to enhance public safety and institutionalize the rule of law. By clarifying the national security architecture and streamlining counterterrorism efforts, the government has created a more predictable environment for citizens and investors alike. While the path remains complex, the focus on professionalizing the security forces and strengthening governance has built a protective canopy under which the city's economy can thrive. The streets are busier, the markets are more vibrant, and the sense of civic life is stronger than ever. The rise of tourism, and with that newfound stability comes the world's curiosity. Somalia is quietly emerging as a niche destination for the intrepid traveler. In 2024, the country saw a notable surge in international arrivals. Visitors are drawn by the pristine, untouched coastline, the rich historical heritage, and the unmatched hospitality of the Somali people. The government's introduction of a streamlined e-visa system is a clear signal. Somalia is open for business and open to the world. As travelers rediscover the country's beauty, the tourism sector is beginning to provide jobs, cultural pride, and a new way for the world to see the true face of Somalia. Vibrant, welcoming, and endlessly resilient. The last 3 years have proven that when a nation unites under a vision of progress, the results are transformative. Somalia is not just building infrastructure, it is building a future. As the sun sets over the shores of Mogadishu, it illuminates a city and a country that is ready to take its place on the global stage. This is the Somali Renaissance, and the best is yet to come.